race there and it seemed dead close.
I'll go with you, go.
So what does this thing have? It's got a blower on it?
Yeah.
Like is it like a Mustang thing or?
Roush blowers. Yeah, it's like just a kit you can buy after the factory.
Is this your truck?
Yeah.
Dude, this thing really makes some noise. So we're gonna do a little bit of a race between the Familia and this Roush blower F150. A little bit of a race there and it seemed dead close.
I'll go with you, go.
Wow!
Spun all of first and second.
Is this all-wheel drive? Ooh. Dude, his car is fast as heck.
It is quick.
That's a factory fuel system. We haven't even done the fuel system.
No shit.
I built the turbo kit for it, and that's what she's got.
It works, man.
It works pretty good. I want to do a fuel system, but like, I think next year, because like, it's just expensive, right?
Oh yeah.
Oh my god! Wow.
Oh, that's a new car.
Oh! Oh my god! Oh, it got loose there, didn't it?
Yeah, I gave it like a touch more throttle than I've been willing to. It's got more power than grip.
Dude, it's pulling fucking good. Wow. Wastegate didn't even open. Holy mackerel. Holy dude. It responds better the more duty we give it.
Yeah.
That is insane.